Okay, student. I think we have reached our time. So in the next meeting, we will discuss about the material. Okay? So I have sent you the material for next week. So yeah, you guys have to learn about it independently. Okay? Wait, I will send the material. Okay, I'll send the material and you guys have to learn independently about that. So the topic is about descriptive text. Descriptive text, okay? I won't explain it now because you have to learn independently on your own. And then the thing that you have to do is you have to learn about descriptive text, and then what everything about adjective, and yeah, just learn about descriptive text. And next meeting we will discuss about it. Okay. Okay. See you guys. Okay, good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Okay, now let's do some exercise so that you guys focus on the lesson. If I would say good morning, student, and you guys have to say good morning, teacher, and then if I say how are you guys then say I'm fine. Okay. Now stand up. Stand. Yes, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Let's start. Good morning, student. How are you? Yes, good. Now sit. Yeah, take a seat. Okay, now I will divide you into several groups, and one group consists of 4 people. How many of you? 8. Okay, so I will divide into 2 groups, and one group consists of 4 people. Okay, it's done. Okay, and then I will give one group the picture of animals. Okay, and then you guys have to make descriptive paragraph based on the picture. Understand? Okay. Nah, mau bertanya? Oh iya. So I will give animals picture. Okay. And then you guys have to make a descriptive paragraph depend on the picture that I give. Okay. But before that, I will ask you, did you watch the video about the explanation, example of how to make descriptive paragraph? Have you? Oh, why you not watch the video? Busy. You busy. What did you do? explain about descriptive paragraph. Oh, you. Okay, explain, please. Yes, Emma. Describe animal. Yeah, everything in detail. Okay, good. Good, yeah. So she watched the video. Now mention 3 adjectives about your friend. Or you, please. Kind, tall. Yeah, good, good. Now sit down. Okay, I think you guys has already watched the video, and now I will ask you to make a descriptive paragraph about the picture of the animal. Okay, now I will give you the picture. Okay, this is for group 1, group 2. Yeah, 5 pictures. Okay. Okay, just make the paragraph, and if you have something to have problem or something, just come forward to ask me. Okay. Understand? Okay, now continue. I will wait. Okay, what? Oh, gading aja. Oh, apa? Oh, belalai. Belalai. You can say trunk. T-R-U-N-K. Trunk. Trunk. Oh. Cakar itu claw. Claw, repeat after me. Claw. Claw. Good. Have you done it? Okay, good. Group 2. How about you? Okay, good. You guys very fast. Okay, now the thing that you have to do is you just stay at your circle and present your assignment. And present your assignment. Okay, and the other group will maybe give some comment. Okay, give some comment about the presentation. Want to start first? Group 2, group 1, or group 2. Okay, please. Present time is yours. Group one, you have comment? Okay, go ahead. Oh, ears. Okay. So why there are two words like ear and ears? There's as letter at the end of the sentence, right? It's because the ear is more than one. Okay. So how many? Two, right? The ears of the elephant is two. That's why we use s at the end of the sentence. That's plural. Understand? Yeah. Oh, maybe that's all. You know what? Now, other group will present the assignment. Okay, no. Okay, now, stand up. Listen, group two. Listen to group one. I will write. I will listen in it. Apa? What? Oh, bahasa Inggrisnya Assalamualaikum. Nggak ada bahasa Assalamualaikum itu gitu saja. Assalamualaikum ya Assalamualaikum. Oh itu. Oke. Oke, beautiful mouse. So the group one is right about giraffe, cat, and what was that? Fish. So they describe that cat is an animal that has four legs. Okay, four legs. And it has four, right? Yeah, it has four. Four itu hewan kucing itu four. And then it has claw, right? Claw, cakar claw. Ya, itu claw. Apa itu claw? Ya, apa bahasa Indonesia cakar? Claw. Right? Then giraffe is why the giraffe has unique pattern and has a long neck. Yeah, okay, good. Now, group two, give some comment on the presentation. Alright, so the comment from group two, they say that you guys described the elephant and giraffe. The giraffe is only live in Africa, right? But actually, giraffe is not only in Africa, but there's other country or place that has giraffe. Okay, good. You guys flowers. You now, yeah. Bring your paper and collect on my desk. Okay. you guys have to make descriptive text about your favorite place, tempat favorit. Jadi kalian buat tuh descriptive text tentang tempat favoritnya kalian. Oke? Understand? Understand? Yeah, in English and individual. This is individual class. You will collect them next week. Yeah, easy, but please don't use additional tools, please. Okay? Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay, now just signature. Okay, I'll wait. Where is the absent? Oh, please signature sign to the absent one by one. Okay. If you guys don't, bring to my desk. Okay. Oh yeah? Good. Next, we will learn about public place. Public place. Have you ever heard about public place? Okay, so public place. Public, you can say that umum. Place is tempat. Dia apa? Umum tempat tempat umum. Tempat umum, public place itu tempat umum artinya. Okay. Pernah dengar nggak? Have you ever heard about public place? No? Yeah, no problem. Okay, so open your textbook at page 5. Page 5. Yeah, 5. Oke. Itu yang ada gambar-gambar rumah. Oke. So I will open the book at my phone. Udah lihat? So that picture is public place. Yeah, those are the public place. Okay, now I will ask you some question. Look at the picture number 2. What place is this? What place is this? Ya, library, benar ya, perpustakaan. Yeah, on your village. Okay. And what do people do there? What do people do there? Yeah, pinjam, borrowing, read a book and borrow a book. Yeah, good. And then look at picture number one. What place is it? Crunch. Okay, crunch. Crunch. What do people do in there? Yeah, good, good. And then please look at your book. So there's public place name and the function of the public place. The first one is school. The function is to study. And hospital, yeah, function to fungsi. And hospital to get medical treatment. And then library, yeah, library to read and borrow books. And then next picture, bank to save or withdraw money. Next, market to buy and sell goods. And then park to relax and play. Next, post office, baca, read to send letter or package. And police station to report crime or ask help. And then bus station to take a bus. Yeah. Okay, now those is public place atau tempat umum. Oh iya, saya belum jelaskan untuk public place ya definisinya. Oke, sorry ya. So public place is a place that people can visit for different activities. Jadi yang itu ya tempat yang semua orang bisa mengunjungi untuk melakukan sesuatu di situ. Depend on the place, tergantung tempatnya. Library, perpustakaan, yang people come to the library to read and borrow books. If they come to the library to eat, no. Yeah, because library is now the place for eat. Jadi ya itu public place ya. Okay, now open your book at page 6. There's some sentence about the public place. The first one, I go to the library to borrow books. Siapa yang bisa artikan? Ya, boleh yang bisa. Nah, saya pergi ke perpustakaan untuk meminjam bukunya. Okay, now next sentence. My mother goes to the market every morning. Ibuku pergi ke pasar. Ya, setiap pagi. Next, we play in the park on Sunday. Oh ya, sana boleh. We itu kita. Ya, Ya, aku kerja di bank. Ya. Nah itu ya tadi some example of sentence that use public place. Now, based on those sentence, I will ask you which one is the public place. Okay, kalau pertama tadi, I go to the library to borrow books. Mana public place? Aku punya mana? Ya, library. Terus yang kedua, market ya. Kalau yang ketiga, iya yang public place di depan. Iya, park. And then yang terakhir, iya, bank. Ya itu dia public place tempat umum. So this school is public place or private place? Public place ya, biasanya school ada di sini, ada di buku tadi. Okay, and then I will give you some exercise. Contoh ya. Nanti jadi saya tulis nama public place-nya, terus kalian maju ke depan. Oh, kalau di situ aja boleh. Jadi kalian tulis nih hospital, library, bank, sama park. Oke, udah tulis ya. Nah, itu kan public place-nya. Nah, I will ask you to write down the function of public place. Ya, the fungsi dari public place itu. Oke, udah semua? Oke. Nah, oke, nanti I will wait, and if there's done, please bring your paper at my desk. Oke. Oke, jadi sudah saya done, and I see your paper, and you guys answer it correctly. Okay, good job. Now, I think you guys already understand about public place, and now I will give you homework. Okay, homework. Jadi homeworknya itu kalian masing-masing dari kalian tuliskan kalimat yang minimal 3 paragraf tentang public place. Ya, deskripsikan public place. Ya, seperti nanti yang pertama tadi deskripsikan, terus materi kedua ada public place yang memang 3 paragraf. Ya, itu dia. Ya, itu homeworknya. Oke, and let's try the game. Ya, open your book for the game, the public place. Public place, school, apalagi hospital, library. Ya, buat teman-teman ini banyak public place yang tempat umum banyak. Cuma kita kan common aja yang sering bus station. Okay? Nah, itu public place. Now I will give you some quiz about public place, and the one who answer it correctly, yeah, only one quiz. I will give some candy, and I will let you go. Okay. Now I will ask you, what public place do you visit most often? Yeah, yeah, apa? Library. Why? Why? Because you love reading book. Yeah, good. Good. Come here. Just take the candy and yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Good. Okay, now